Hello students, how are you all? I hope all of you are fine, doing great at your homes. So students, in the previous video we have solved two questions of simplification for classwork and one question was given for as homework. Question number 5 and 7 were classwork, question number 6 was your homework. Now in today's video we have to start from question number 8. So let me write question number 8 for you. I hope you must have understood both the questions, students. So let me write the question for you. So I have written the question for you within bracket 2 by 3 plus 4 by 9 bracket closed of 3 upon 5 divided by 1 2 upon 3 multiplied by 1 1 upon 4 minus 1 by 3. So as per the BODMAS rule, bracket, then off, then division, then multiplication, addition and then subtraction. So there are two fractions given in the bracket. So firstly I have to solve these two fractions. So what is the LCM of 3 and 9? I am underlining the portion which I am solving. So what is the LCM of 3 and 9? The LCM of 3 and 9 is 9. So 3 has to be multiplied by 3 in order to make it 9. By the same number we have to multiply the numerator. तो जब आप 2 को 3 से multiply करेंगे, it will be 6 plus 4 upon 9. Okay, that is 10. So let me write it completely. 10 by 9 of 3 upon 5 divided by, since it is in mixed fraction, let me convert it into improper fraction. 3 ones are 3, 3 plus 2 is 5 upon 3, 4 ones are 4, 4 plus 1 is 5 by 4 minus 1 by 3. Okay students, now we have solved the things that are given in the bracket. Now we have to solve this part. Off means multiplication. So 3 ones are 3 threes are, 5 ones are 5 twos are. I have reduced it. Can it be reduced further, students? 3 ones are 3 threes are, 5 ones are 5 twos are. No, it cannot be reduced further. It will be 2 upon 3 divided by, because I have solved this portion, so this much is left. So 5 upon 3 multiplied by 5 upon 4 minus 1 upon 3. Okay students? Now after off we have to divide. So I am going to solve this portion. And how do we divide the fractions? I have explained you in the previous video also how do we divide two fractions. कैसे divide करते हैं? Kindly comment down the steps involved in the comment section. Take the reciprocal of the second fraction and multiply it with the first one. So what is the reciprocal of 5 upon 3? The reciprocal of 5 upon 3 is 3 upon 5. So this 3 and this 3 will be cancelled. Only 2 by 5 will be left. So this much portion is left. So let me write it for you. 5 upon 4 minus 1 upon 3. Now here it is left only 2 by 5. Now let me rub the question in order to solve the next steps of the question. Okay. So only 2 by 5 is left over here. So it will be 2 upon 5 multiplied by 5 upon 4 minus 1 by 3. So now as per the BODMAS rule, what we have to do? We have performed the division. Now we have to perform what? We have to perform the multiplication. So I am going to solve this part. 2 ones are 2 twos are 4. 5 ones are 5 ones are. What is left now in the question? 1 upon 2. क्या बचा है आपका? 1 upon 2 and this minus 1 by 3 is left. So minus 1 upon 3. Now what is the LCM of 2 and 3? Since 2 and 3 are co-prime numbers, so their product is their LCM. Since 2 and 3 are co-prime numbers, so their product is their LCM. So the final answer will be 1 upon 6. I hope you must have understood question number 8, students. Now let me explain you question number 9. Anything, whatever I am writing on the board, if something is left, you have not written that, then what you can do is kindly pause the video and then note down the things which I have solved on the board and then you can play it again. So let me write the question for you. 7 whole 1 upon 3 divided by 2 by 3 of 2 1 upon 5, 2 by 3 of 2 whole 1 upon 5 plus 1 3 upon 8 divided by 2 3 by 4 minus 1 1 by 2. So I have written the question for you. So the first thing which you have to do in this question is, whenever if you are getting the questions of simplification in which most of the terms are written in the form of mixed fraction, आप पहला काम क्या करेंगे, you have to convert all the mixed fractions into improper fractions. You have to convert all the mixed fractions into improper fractions. Okay students, so 7 1 upon 3 will be 3 7s are 21, 21 plus 1, it will be 22 upon 3 divided by 2 by 3. Now 2 1 by 5 will be 5 2s are 10, 10 plus 1, 11 by 5. 1 3 by 8 will be 8 1s are 8, 8 plus 3, 11 by 8. 2 3 by 4 will be 4 2s are 8, 8 plus 3, 11 by 4. Now 1 1 by 2 will be 2 1s are 2, 2 plus 1, 3 by 2. So what I have done, now I have converted all the mixed fractions into improper fractions. Okay students, now what is the next step? The next step is to follow V BODMAS. Since there is no vinculum means bar, तो कोई bar यहाँ पे तो है नहीं, तो now we have to check for brackets. So there is no bracket. Now what we have to check? Off. तो यहाँ पे आपको off दिखाई दे रहा है, as you all can see that this is off. So we have to solve this part first. I am underlining the portion which I am solving. Off means multiplication, so it cannot be reduced. 2 and 5 cannot be reduced, 11 and 3 can also not be reduced. So off means multiplication, so I am simply multiplying it for you. Multiplying the numerators, 2 11s are 22, multiplying the denominators, 3 5s are 15. Now this much is remaining, so let me write it for you. Now after off we have to solve division. So there are two places where we can see division, this place and this place. So we will solve both the divisions together. Okay, both the divisions will be solved together. Now how do we multiply two fractions, how do we divide two fractions? What is the steps involved? If you know the answer, you can comment down in the comment section. Yes, take the reciprocal of the second fraction and multiply it with the first one. So what is the reciprocal of 22 upon 15? It is 15 upon 22. In the same way, here also we have to divide. So take the reciprocal of the second fraction, multiply it with the first one. So how do we take the reciprocal? 11 upon 4 का reciprocal क्या होगा? It will be 4 upon 11. Now we can easily reduce these. If it can be reduced, हमें इसे reduce करना है. 22 ones are 22 ones are, 11 ones are 11 ones are, 4 ones are 4 twos are, 4 ones are 4 twos are, 3 ones are 3 fives are. Here 22 ones are 22 ones are 22 ones are, 3 ones are 3 fives are, 11 ones are 11 ones are, 4 ones are 4 twos are. Now we have reduced. For writing the next step, I am erasing the question. Okay students, now what is left over here? 1 5s are 5, 1 1s are 1. So only 5 is left, and in between there is a sign of addition. What is left over here? 1 1s are 2 1s are. So 1 upon 2 is left. Now minus 3 upon 2. 5 plus 1 by 2 minus 3 by 2. Now let me solve it. Now as per the BODMAS rule, we have to add, then we have to subtract. So since there is no denominator, by default I am considering 1 as the denominator and adding these two. So the LCM of 1 and 2 is 2. 10 plus 1 is 11 by 2 minus 3 by 2. Since the denominators are same, so I will subtract the numerators and retain the common denominator. So 11 minus 3 is 8 upon 2, तो 2 1s are 2 4s are. After reducing 8, अब आपका आया फाइनल आंसर 8 upon 2. So you have to check that can it be reduced? Yes, it can be reduced. So now it will be 8 upon 2 will be 4 because 2 1s are 2 4s are. So I hope you must have understood both the questions, question number 8, question number 9. Coming to question number 10, question number 10 is your homework. You have to do it in your maths homework copy, and if you will be facing any difficulty, any problem, message to your respective class teachers. I will explain it to you definitely, and if you have understood it well, please like the video, subscribe the channel. Bye bye, take care.
Subscribe the channel and press the bell icon.